Hey, this is Callum Bair, and I'd like to welcome you to this course where we're going to be exploring rock guitar for the absolute beginner. So if you've gotten a guitar and you're wondering, what's my first step in learning this instrument? That's exactly what we're going to look at in this course. We're going to start from the absolute basics of just learning how our instrument works and how to tune it, and move into actually playing some songs, licks, and riffs on our guitar. After we cover some of those basics, we're going to get right into playing. And that playing is going to involve just starting off on some simple single string riffs that are just going to involve one finger, and we're gradually going to increase difficulty with that. So I'm going to show you exercises that'll use all of your fingers, talk about some of the really basic theory that outlines our instrument, and slowly get into power chords, more in-depth shapes, and eventually full first position chords that'll actually teach us to play songs just like the greats will. After you finish this course, you should have a good understanding of the fundamentals of the instrument and how it works, how we shape our tone with it, how we tune it, and basic upkeep of our instrument. And we should also have a really good and firm understanding of how to use all of our fingers on the fretboard, how to play some first position chords, some power chords, how to get comfortable moving around the instrument, and the general mindset that we have when we're learning guitar and how to progress piece by piece without getting too frustrated or stuck on one certain thing. Playing guitar is supposed to be fun, and we really want to carry that over when we're learning this instrument with this course. So as we go over each little individual lesson, each individual piece of theory, each individual lick or riff, we always want to carry that mindset, and we always want to make sure that at the end of the day, we're just trying to have fun with our instrument, and we're just trying to do our best. So we need to avoid trying to be a perfectionist or trying to play everything perfectly, and just know that we're trying to have fun and learn this instrument at our own pace. The biggest issue that I see with beginning students is not knowing how to approach the guitar with an all-encompassing viewpoint. So what I mean by that is a lot of times when we practice guitar, we'll get hung up on one small little detail, or we won't know how to practice a good diverse amount of topics on our instrument so that we can really understand how it works. Well, we're going to try to solve that problem in this course. And in doing that, we're going to talk about some of the basics of music theory. We're going to talk about some of the basics of all of the fundamental shapes we have on the instrument. And in doing that, we're really going to try to have an all-encompassing approach to how the instrument works and make sure that we're not going to just get hung up on just one thing. I had a lot of fun putting this course together. I hope you get a lot out of it. Teaching beginners is one of my favorite things to do because it's a brand new opportunity to teach somebody music. So I'll see you in the first lesson.